Ever found yourself juggling multiple bank accounts, each serving a specific purpose? Maybe one for everyday expenses, another for savings, and perhaps even one for that dream vacation fund? It's a common financial strategy, but when it comes to a specific institution like Patriot Bank, the question often arises, how many accounts can one person actually hold? That's precisely what we're diving into today. Forget the generic welcome back to the channel. Let's get straight to the heart of the matter because your financial well-being is what truly counts. Now, Patriot Bank, like many financial institutions, offers a range of account types designed to meet diverse financial needs. We're talking checking accounts for your daily transactions, savings accounts to grow your wealth over time, and potentially even specialized accounts like money market accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs, for specific savings goals. Each of these account types comes with its own features, benefits, and sometimes limitations. Before we zoom in on the how many aspect, it's crucial to understand why someone might want multiple bank accounts in the first place. It's not just about hoarding accounts, it's often a strategic move for better financial management. Imagine this, you have your primary checking account for bills and everyday spending. Keeping a separate savings account makes it easier to track your progress towards a down payment on a house without the daily fluctuations of your checking balance muddying the waters. Perhaps you're self-employed and want a dedicated account to manage business income and expenses, keeping it distinct from your personal finances for clearer bookkeeping and tax purposes. Or maybe you're saving for multiple goals simultaneously, a new car, a family trip, retirement, and having separate accounts helps you visualize your progress for each. Furthermore, some people might open accounts at different banks to take advantage of specific interest rates, rewards programs, or simply to diversify their banking relationships. While we're focusing on Patriot Bank today, this broader context helps us appreciate the rationale behind wanting multiple accounts. So, back to the burning question, how many Patriot Bank accounts can you have? The straightforward answer, and you might find this surprisingly simple, is that Patriot Bank generally does not impose a strict limit on the total number of accounts a single individual can hold. Yes, you read that right. Unlike some institutions that might cap the number of certain types of accounts you can open, Patriot Bank typically allows you to open and maintain multiple checking accounts, multiple savings accounts, and other eligible account types based on your needs and their offerings. However, before you go on an account opening spree, there are some important nuances and practical considerations to keep in mind. While there isn't usually a hard numerical limit on the total number, certain types of accounts might have their own specific rules or limitations. For example, while you might be able to open several regular savings accounts, there could be a limit on the number of high-yield savings accounts you can hold, as these often come with specific terms and conditions. Similarly, there might be restrictions on the number of joint accounts you can be a primary account holder on, although being a joint account holder on multiple accounts is generally less restricted. It's also worth considering the practicalities of managing multiple accounts. While Patriot Bank likely provides tools for online and mobile banking to help you keep track of your balances and transactions, juggling numerous accounts can become cumbersome. You'll need to monitor each account regularly to ensure sufficient funds, track fees, if any, and stay on top of your overall financial picture. Think about it, logging into multiple accounts, transferring funds between them, and reconciling statements can become time-consuming. While the digital age has made this easier, it's still a factor to consider. Furthermore, while Patriot Bank might not have a strict limit on the number of accounts, they will likely have procedures in place to prevent abuse or suspicious activity. Opening an unusually large number of accounts in a short period could potentially trigger flags within their system, leading to inquiries or even account closures. This isn't about limiting legitimate financial management but rather about ensuring the security and integrity of the banking system. To get the most accurate and up-to-date information regarding Patriot Bank's specific policies on the number of accounts you can hold, the best course of action is always to contact Patriot Bank directly. You can reach out to their customer service through various channels. Visiting a local branch, this allows you to speak with a representative in person and get personalized answers to your questions. Calling their customer service hotline, you can find their contact number on their official website. Be prepared to provide identification for security purposes. Checking their official website, look for FAQs or account disclosure documents, which might outline any limitations on the number of accounts. Using their online chat or secure messaging system, if available, this can be a convenient way to get quick answers. When you contact Patriot Bank, be specific about your needs. Are you looking to open multiple checking accounts for budgeting purposes? Several savings accounts for different goals? Understanding your specific situation will help them provide the most relevant information. Don't hesitate to ask about any potential fees associated with maintaining multiple accounts, minimum balance requirements, or any other terms and conditions that might apply. Transparency is key to a healthy banking relationship. In conclusion, while Patriot Bank generally doesn't impose a strict limit on the total number of accounts a person can have, it's crucial to understand that certain types of accounts might have their own limitations, and practical considerations regarding management and potential security flags should be taken into account. The most reliable way to get a definitive answer tailored to your specific needs is to reach out to Patriot Bank directly through their official channels. They will be able to provide you with the most current and accurate information regarding their account policies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.